Hello. So I'm going to be sharing my trade outlook for this week or my bias on the chart this week. So you guys already know that I trade only 4 pairs, right? So for this week now, I'm actually bullish on BTC. I'm actually bullish on BTC, but I just saw a a potential sell from this zone here, right? Where is it? Yeah, so this is what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. So I can see this particular zone. This is my inducement here. This is my inducement, and as you all know, the thing that I trade is just your sweep, break, and then inducement, then to just target. So when market comes back to this POI, I'm targeting the low that created it, right? Something like this here, something as basic as this. So this is the exact thing that you are seeing on the chart right now. So this is something like this. So this is the exact thing. It's looking like the market wants to shank me today, but let's see what happens, sha. Let's see what happens. Many more opportunities to come. So this is the lower time frame. This 15 minutes. Let's go to the daily so that you guys will see what I was seeing. So this is the daily time frame, and I can see that market is buying. Market has been reacting from this daily zone here, this particular order block that I marked here, this one. So, and market is buying. Market has failed to go below this zone here, so market kept buying, and I'm bullish on this on BTC right now, sha. So let's see what happens. But like I said, I have a minor sell that I want to take care that I've shown you guys, right? So let's go to the next pair, which is it's Euro USD. Okay, for Euro USD daily, I'm bullish on EU too, though I would expect market to come to this zone that I've marked here, this one here, before I would buy. But for now, I think I'll keep selling EU. For now, I'll keep selling EU, right? So if I get any confirmation here, if I see something like this, if I get any confirmation like this, to sell it into this zone, then that's what I'll be doing. But let's see what the market says, sha. Let's see what the market will do. So that's that for EU, right? So for USD JPY, what I noticed is that it tapped into this particular zone. Here, this sell zone. So this zone here, this other block here, is the origin for the whole of this sell that you are seeing here. So now the market is back to that zone. I am waiting to see whether it will sell or it is going to buy. But from the looks of it, it doesn't want to respect the zone. Can you see what the market did here? So like, let me explain something to you guys. So this is what I'm seeing now. The market has tapped into a supply zone, which is this zone here. Tapped. Now it came and is supposed to create a low of which it did. Now it created a higher low and failed to create a new low. Can you see? Now instead of it to create a new low, instead of this to create a new low, it went ahead to break structure here and create a new high, and then it has tapped into this zone. So what I'm expecting is buy. But if this does not break, if this zone fails to break and gives me a confirmation for sell too, then I will be selling. I'll be selling to at least this zone here, to at least this zone. So let's see what happens. Then the last pair, which is gold. Gold is bullish for me. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that gold tapped into this particular QM, what we call the QM, right? And this is the same thing that I showed you guys now, where you have something like this, a sweep, a break. Sorry, this is the sweep, this is the break, then you have an inducement, then you have another break of structure. Then when it comes back, you buy to the upside, right? Now this is the same thing. So you have a zone here. So you have a zone here that sweeps liquidity, and then this is the inducement, and then it broke structure to the upside. So when they come back to this zone here now, what I'm expecting is buy to the upside, right? This is what I'm expecting. So let's see what happens, right? Let's see what happens. So I think that would be all. I'm wishing everyone a profitable week. Thank you guys.